Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on general form. In previous videos we saw the equation y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. This is known as the gradient and y-intercept form, where y is the subject of the equation. Another way of writing the equation of a line is called the general form. It looks like the following: ax plus by plus c equals 0. In the above equation, the letters a, b and c are whole numbers. Also, x and y are variables. Let's look at some examples. Rewrite the equation y equals 3x plus 7 in general form. So this is the equation, and that is the gradient and y-intercept form, where the gradient is 3 and the y-intercept is plus 7. We need to write the above equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are whole numbers. So here is our equation. If we subtract y from both sides, we get this line. Simplification gets us to this line. So all we do is swap these around, because if a equals b, then b equals a. So just swap those around and just put the x first and that y second, and then the number there, because it looks exactly like that one there, see? So that is in general form. And here we have a equals 3, b equals minus 1, and c equals 7. Let's look at example 2. The general form of a particular equation is 3x plus 4y minus 8 equals 0. Write this equation in the form y equals mx plus b, hence find the slope and y-intercept. So we can manipulate this equation from there to there. Now at a year 9 level, you should be able to write that down automatically. Okay? That's what we can do at the year 9 level. So this equation can be written in that form. If we divide both sides by 4, that gives us y equals minus 3/4 x plus 2, which is in the form y equals mx plus b. So the slope is negative 3/4 and the y-intercept is 2. Example 3. Rewrite the equation 4y minus 1.5 equals 2x in general form. What are the values of a, b and c? So the equation can be rewritten as 2x minus 4y plus 1.5 equals 0. Again, we can go from there to there automatically at the year 9 level. Now we have to get rid of the decimal point, because all the digits here, all the numbers, have to be whole numbers. So we multiply both sides by 2, and that gives us this line, which is in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Hence, a equals 4, there it is, b equals negative 8, and c equals 3. So this video has introduced us to the equation ax plus by plus c equals 0, and that's called the general form of an equation.